Hi, today our topic is molecular orbital diagrams of nitrogen ions. Okay, so here especially nitrogen atom purpose molecular orbital diagram is completed. Now here we are discussing about N2 plus purpose and N2 minus and N2 2 minus ions molecular orbital diagrams. Here we are discussing now. So see here, already you know very well nitrogen nothing but here it is atomic number is 7. Okay, okay, atomic number is 7. So due to that reason here you write the electronic configuration 1s2 2s2, what is that, 2p3. Okay, already it is over in previous class. Now we are discussing about nitrogen N2 plus purpose. Okay, so one is nitrogen N7, next N2 plus, right? So one is plus ion, nothing but already in previous class I explained plus nothing but already it lost one electron. Okay, minus nothing but it may gain one electron, nothing but here one extra electron. Okay, so we have to add the here we have to add electron. Okay, so here lost nothing but here we have to remove one electron. Here n plus nothing but already it loses one electron, nothing but here 7 minus 1, here how many, 6 electrons are present. So for that purpose 1s2 2s2 2p2. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration. Okay, so for this purpose first we have to observe N2 molecular orbital diagram. In previous class I explained. See here, so this is the N2 molecular orbital diagram. Here one side we have taken 1s2 2s2 2p3. Why? Because nitrogen electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p3. Here also 1s2 2s2 2p3. It is for N2 purpose. Now here we are discussing N2 plus ion purpose. Okay, so here N2 plus ion purpose, what we have to write, up to here it is same. Okay, so see here, up to here it is same, 1s2 2s2 2p3, 1s2 2s2 2p3, but here what it is, plus. Okay, nothing but here we have to decrease one electron, here one side n plus. Okay, so here 1s2 2s2, here 2p2. Okay, so according to that here completely how many electrons, 1 2 3 4 5, totally 5. So here we have to fill, already you know very well, here we are using code, what is that, 2121. Okay, so this is the code, trick code. Okay, next how many electrons here, 5. So here we have to fill 2 electrons and 3 4. Okay, remaining one will go here. So see here, so this is the molecular orbital diagram. In previous class clearly I explained about nitrogen atom purpose, N2 purpose. Okay, so here I am explaining about nitrogen ions purpose. Okay, for that purpose I am telling somewhat speed. Okay, so if you want, once you see my last video, okay, you may understood easily. Okay, so this is for what purpose, N2 plus purpose. Okay, so here 1s2 sigma star 1s2 2s2 sigma star 2s2 up to here, no doubt. Here 2p3 purpose, see here what it is, lower side is bonding, top side is anti-bonding. Okay, it is pi 2p x square, nothing but in this orbital 2 electrons are present, pi 2p y square, here sigma 2p z1, remaining anti-bonding all are empty. Okay, so this is about N2 plus purpose. Next N2 minus purpose. Okay, so here one side is nitrogen atom, another side is N minus ion. Here already you know very well nitrogen electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p3. Here minus nothing but here we have to write 2p in within the place of 2p3, here we have to write 2p4. Okay, one side is nitrogen atom, another side is N minus ion. Okay, so here remaining all these same 1s2 2s2 purpose. Okay, here 2p3, here 1s2 2s2, extra what it is here 2p4. Why? Because it is minus ion. Okay, one extra electron is present here. Okay, so here 1 2 3. Okay, so here 3, here 4, total how many? 7. Okay, first we have to fill bonding, next we have to move for anti-bonding side. So here 2 plus 2 4, and here 2 4 plus 2 6, remaining 1 moves towards anti-bonding side. Okay, like this, pi star 2px1, pi star 2py 0, sigma star 2pz 0. Okay, it is for n2 minus ion purpose. Okay, same as it is n2 2 minus ion purpose. See here, here how many extra electrons are present? 2 extra electrons are present, nothing but here one side normal nitrogen purpose, here we have to take 2p3, here 2 extra electrons, nothing but within the place of 2p3 here we have to write 2p5. Okay, remaining all are same as it is, pi 2px, pi 2py, sigma 2pz, pi star 2px, pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. Now we have to fill the electrons, here 3, here 5, 3 plus 5 equals to 8, here how many shells? 3 shells, here 3 2 is 6 completed. Okay, from 8 we have removed 6, remaining 2 moves towards anti-bonding side, like this, pi star 2px1, pi star 2py1. Never you write at a time with here, if you take like this, these are the pi orbitals, right? So in these anti-bonding orbitals are bonding orbitals, these two have equal amount of energy, nothing but these two are equal. So never you feel like this, it is wrong. You must feel like this, 1 electron sharing, then only if any extra electrons are present, then it may be filled with again. Okay, so due to that reason here I wrote pi star 2px1, pi star 2py1. Okay, never you fill directly 2 electrons. Okay, if more than 3, you may be directly write down 2 electrons, but here only 2 electrons are present. Due to that reason here you share equal amount of electrons in these two orbitals. Why? Because these two suborbitals have equal amount of energy. Okay, so it is for what purpose? N2 2 minus purpose. What it is? Pi 2px square. Why? Because here 2 electrons, here pi 2py square, next sigma 2pz square, pi star 2px1, pi star 2py1, sigma star, okay, 2pz 0. Here electrons are absent, due to that reason here I wrote a 0. Okay, so this is about for what purpose? N2 2 minus ion purpose. Okay, now we have to write properties based on these molecular orbital diagram. Okay, so before going to these properties, once you learn our tricks. Okay, so it is for nitrogen. Okay, it is for N2 plus, and it is for N2 minus, and it is for N2 2 minus. Okay, so at a time I want to calculate for all these purpose. Okay, now first I want to calculate for nitrogen purpose, N2 purpose bond order. Okay, so here sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, these two are gets cancelled. Why? Because what we are doing, NB minus NA, right? So both are equalized. Here both are cancelled. Remaining what it is, this bonding side, this anti-bonding side. We have to differentiate only these two. Okay, so here how many electrons are present? 6 electrons, bonding side, anti-bonding side 0. Due to that reason here I wrote NB equals to 6, Na equals to 0. Now you substitute 6 minus 0 by 2. So bond order is 6 by 2, nothing but 3. Okay, so it is for what purpose? N2 purpose bond order is 3. Okay, next N2 plus purpose, see here, bonding side 5, anti-bonding side 0. So bonding side 5, anti-bonding side 0. Then you write 5 minus 0 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2, nothing but 2.5. Bond order is 2.5. For what purpose? N2 plus ion purpose. Next, N2 minus ion purpose. see here N2 minus ion purpose, here 6 electrons, here 1 electron, bonding side 6, anti-bonding side 1, okay. So 6 minus 1 by 2, here 5 by 2, nothing but heat, it is also 2.5 bond order. For what purpose? N2 plus and N2 minus. Due to that reason, always in bond order we write N2 plus equalized with N2 minus. This is the reason. Why? Because here it is also 2.5, it is also 2.5 bond order. Next, N2 2 minus ion purpose. Okay. So see here, bonding side 6 electrons, anti-bonding side 2 electrons. Directly here I wrote. Okay. So bonding 6 minus anti-bonding 2 by 2. Here 4 by 2. Nothing but it is 2. Bond order is how much? 2. According to this, see here once. This is the bond order. See here, this is the chart I prepared. Okay. Characteristics of N2, N2 plus, N2 minus, N2 2 minus. Actually, it is a CSIR syllabus. It may be useful for intermediate purpose also and degree purpose also. Okay. MSc entrance purpose also it will be helpful. See here, N2, N2 plus, N2 minus, N2 2 minus. Bond order N2 purpose 3. Okay. So here there is no single electrons. Okay. Nothing but it may show some high stability. So that is stability. Okay. Here more stable product. Okay. And it is a diamagnetic. N2 plus purpose. Okay. What is the bond order? Bond order is 2.5. Nothing but 2.5. Less stable para. N2 minus 2.5 or 2.5. Less stable para. Okay. N2 2 minus purpose. Bond order 2. Less stable para. Okay. So this is about molecular orbital diagrams of nitrogen and nitrogen ions. N2 plus, N2 minus and N2 2 minus. According to that, so this is the stability order and this is the magnetic property. These are the magnetic properties and it is about a bond order. Okay. So you must remember, for a molecular orbital diagram purpose, these are the tricks. Okay. These tricks you must remember. Okay. This is about nitrogen ions molecular orbital diagrams. Okay. Thank you. In next class I will explain at a time below 14 electrons and above 14 electrons molecular orbital diagrams according to the bond energy and molecular orbital diagrams. Okay. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Share this video for your friends and needed students purpose. Thank you once again. Please subscribe my channel, share and like my videos. Thank you.